In today's video, I'm going to teach you some helpful tips on how to collect bill payments using Jotform. If you've been looking for a streamlined way to handle bill payments right from your forms, Jotform provides a seamless platform to do just that. Let's dive into how you can set this up effectively. First, you'll need to navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the sign-in page, you have some flexible sign-in options. You can conveniently sign in using your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can use your email address and password to access your account. This flexibility helps accommodate different users' preferences, making it as smooth as possible for you to get started. Now, direct your attention to the form in your Jotform workspace that you'd like to integrate payments into. It's important that you have a specific form in mind to make the process straightforward. Once you're in your chosen form, you'll want to establish a payment connection. This step is crucial as it is the foundation for allowing your form to process payments. Don't worry if setting up a form sounds complex. Jotform's intuitive drag and drop form builder makes it easy to create a payment form. It's as simple as selecting the fields you need and placing them where you want. With this tool, setting up your payment form becomes a smooth and manageable task that doesn't require extensive technical skills. Next, click on the Add Element button and navigate to the Payments section. Here you'll find various integration options that you can include in your form. Selecting your preferred payment method is the key next step. Jotform offers integration with numerous payment providers, so whether you are leaning towards PayPal, Stripe or Square, you have plenty of choices. Once you've selected your preferred payment provider, proceed by connecting your account to Jotform. This step ensures that all transactions made through your form will be directed to your account efficiently. Once you've set this up, you're nearly ready to start accepting payments. After you've published your form on your website, customers will be able to submit their debit and credit card details directly through your form. Jotform ensures all transactions are secure as it is PCI DSS Level 1 compliant. This compliance means your customers' cardholder data will be securely processed, providing peace of mind for both you and your customers. In sum, Jotform enables you to simplify how your business accepts online credit card payments. By using Jotform, you can seamlessly integrate secure and efficient payment processing into your forms, making your billing process straightforward and reliable. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your payment collection process with Jotform.